My name's Paul Raynor. I was a police officer for 30 years in the North Yorkshire Police, retiring at the rank of Detective Inspector. During those 30 years I undertook many roles within the police service, a lot of those working with community, but ultimately really within the CID was my heart and soul, serving the community by making it a safer place for all. One of the roles I did undertake was the introduction of the community safety partnerships, which was aimed really at being inclusive to everybody within the borough. Really a passion in the police force to serve the community and make things better for all, be it young, middle-aged or old. I retired after 30 years and looked for something else to do. I felt that some of the skills I had obtained over those 30 years in dealing with people could be put to good use within the educational environment. I applied for a job as a behaviour manager in a school that was in trouble. It was in special measures. And worked there for 7 years until recently retiring from there again. So I think the policing skills that I learned over 30 years put together with the skills that I learned as a behaviour manager in schools give me really quite a good background to deal with the issues of behaviour. I have very much a passion now and a belief that what we as adults need to provide to the students is outstanding, inclusive and engaging education. But I also firmly believe that that can only be brought about once we've set the scene for that education to take place.